I didn't expect that we can now make such high-quality music on a local PC, and it's completely free. It even runs on low VRAM, and 8 GB VRAM GPU can handle it. That's right. Today, I'll introduce the latest open-source music generation model, HeartMuLa. In this video, I'll not only show you how to install it on your own PC, but also how to run it efficiently and precisely so the generated music matches your intentions. Hello, welcome to Smart Vision. On this channel, I keep sharing the latest AI tutorials and practical tools. All the workflows, assets, and resources used in this video are already uploaded to my Patreon. You can download them for free after registering. For supporters, I also prepare more professional, more advanced exclusive tools and knowledge. You're welcome to subscribe and support. Alright, no more chit-chat. Let's get started. What is HeartMuLa? You've probably heard about AI singing recently. Suno and Udio are impressive, but most are paid in closed source. Now there's a powerful open source challenger called HeartMuLa. In short, HeartMuLa is an all-in-one music factory. It doesn't just write melodies and lyrics, it understands your requirements. Give it lyrics and a style, like upbeat K-pop or melancholic jazz, and it can produce professional quality vocals and instrumentation in seconds. Its strongest point is realism. Pronunciation is very natural, no harsh robotic artifacts, and it supports multiple languages. Most importantly, it's completely open source. That means students, independent musicians, and software developers don't need to pay big money to use world-class tools for creative production. HeartMuLa is built from 4 core technical components. First is the HeartMuLa model itself, the flagship of the family, with up to 7 billion parameters. It generates high-quality music from lyrics and style tags and supports multiple languages, including English, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and Spanish. Second is HeartCodec, a high-efficiency audio codec that captures long-range musical structure at very low sampling rates while preserving excellent audio fidelity. Third is HeartTranscriptor, a model fine-tuned from Whisper designed to accurately transcribe lyrics even within complex musical backgrounds. Finally, HeartClap maps audio and text into a unified vector space for cross-modal retrieval and style understanding. In one sentence, HeartMuLa makes high-quality AI music creation accessible to everyone, not just big tech companies. First, install comfyui. Search comfyui on Google, go to the site, and download the suitable version. Install it, then open comfyui. Drag the workflow I provide into comfyui. Click the logo at the top left, choose Manage Extension, then click Missing and install the missing nodes. I already have them installed, so nothing shows for me. After all nodes are installed, remember to restart comfyui. Install Ollama, a tool for running LLM models. It can generate lyrics and help decide musical direction. Search Ollama, go to the official site, download and install. After downloading, choose a suitable LLM model. I chose Qwen 3 VL4B. Why this one? Because it can read images and is lightweight, great for home PCs. Click to download. There's one more important step. In Ollama settings, enable the option that allows comfyui to use it. You can also increase the context length to give the LLM more memory, but don't make it too large because it will consume a lot of system RAM. Use a reasonable value. The LLM will offload resources after use. How to use it. Now for the main part. Open comfyui and let me show you several usage methods that should help. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open my workflow and drag it into comfyui. If you haven't downloaded the model before, it will auto-download the first time you run it. The basic workflow is simple. The model loader defaults to a lightweight 3B model that runs on 12 GB VRAM. If you only have 8 GB VRAM, choose the Use 4 bits option. If both your VRAM and system RAM are limited, enable Force Reload to reduce cache. This node lets you choose musical styles with many options. Genres, vocal types, moods. There are lots. I get spoilt for choice. The lyrics input accepts free text, but it expects structure tags like verse 1, pre-chorus, etc., which is a bit annoying. CFG scale defaults to 1.7. If you set it to 1, it's like giving no guidance. The sampler lets you set maximum song length. Temperature controls randomness. Higher temperature gives more creativity. Top, K lower values yield more coherence. You can ignore seed. The decode node is the final music output node. Use the default config to generate a test. Honestly, it's pretty slow. I recommend letting your PC run it overnight. I'm joking, kind of. My VRAM is limited, so it runs slow. Switching to 4-bit can speed it up a lot. Listen to the result. Comparable to Suno, quality is pretty good. Also, it's absolutely insane. How do you make HeartMuLa produce music with real dynamics and emotional lift? Many users run HeartMuLa and hit the same problem. The music sounds fine but stays on a single emotional level from start to finish. The reason is simple. Your prompt didn't tell it how the music should progress. If you want good moving music from tag-based AI generators like HeartMuLa, your prompt must focus on two things: dynamic contrast, emotional progression. Imagine you're a film director. You're not just giving commands to a computer, you're telling a composer. This music starts here, builds like this, and releases like that. HeartMuLa reads these cues via tags. You can't directly control the timeline, but you can use structural tags to imply different energy states over time. Music has rise and fall because of contrast, so use clear, ordered language to guide the musical flow. Start with the intro.its only goal is to lower energy and set contrast. Descriptions: slow build, minimalist, contemplative piano solo, airy opening. Then the transition. This isn't the climax, but prepares for it. Such as sudden shift, rising tension, accumulating dynamics. After writing descriptions, convert them into tags. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT to help. Here's a ready-to-use example. Start with a fragile piano melody, gradually add staccato string layers. Mid-section transforms into a triumphant, epic theme with heavy percussion, heroic brass, and a soaring choir. High energy, 120 BPM, grand and uplifting. Remember to convert it into HeartMuLa tags. Listen to the result. It matches my description: slow piano opening and then a sudden epic turn mid-section, though the ending wasn't fully realized, probably due to insufficient length. The method works but can be unstable. Try iterating on prompts. Since it's slow, efficient and accurate generation becomes important. With so many tag options, it's hard to know which best match your needs. This is where an AI helper is useful. Use the Ollama node we installed to assist in choosing tags. I prepared a node that helps Ollama better control HeartMuLa. It's available for free on my Patreon. You can also ask an AI to generate all tags at once, but local AIs are less accurate, so having it make simple selections reduces context errors. You can also use Gemini or ChatGPT. I load Qwen3VL4B in Ollama. If you don't see it, choose it in Ollama and talk to it to trigger a download. Set keep alive to 0 so it offloads immediately after work to avoid out of memory. You can even select an image to have it generate music based on the image. When not using it, bypass with Ctrl+B. There are multiple LLM nodes that will auto-generate genre, vocal type, mood, tempo, secondary genre, instruments, and additional tags from your prompt. Enter your prompt. For example, generate a soundtrack for the photo of a woman. Click to run and go grab a coffee. Listen to the result.
Sunlight spills through rose bushes, pink and deep.
It's good, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Sunlight spills through rose bushes, pink and deep. You hold the cup a moment no one else speaks. The gardens whisper a secret I've kept. This quiet peace, you know I'm here. petals a memory, soft and worn. This moment is a lullaby I can't forget. Oh, this is the kind of silence I've been waiting for. A cup of tea, a dream, and the roses keep their grace. Time stops here, and the garden's hum grows low. This quiet space is where I belong. The roses bloom with the light of the day. Your eyes reflect the sunlight, a gentle smile. You're lost in thought, but the sun is so bright in this garden. The moment I've ever found. Every petal holds a secret, a love I've known. This moment is the kind that makes you feel so rare. Oh, this is the kind of silence I've been waiting for. A cup of tea, a dream, and the roses keep their grace.
Alright, that's it for this episode. I'm Smart Vision. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All resources will be available on my Patreon. See you in the next episode.